Hey everybody, it's Lauren. Welcome to Furniture Flipping Teacher. This is a vlog and I'm gonna start trying to vlog a little bit more for you guys just because there's several videos that are in the works, but then also there's a bunch of odds and ends that I've been doing around the Airbnb that I just want to bring you guys along with, even though it's not like I stripped the cabinets or we demoed this, you know, just tons of odds and ends things going on. So I want to bring you guys through my day to day. Today I am getting all of the trim off of around every single room because it needs to either be sanded down a little bit and stripped a little bit or matched, and I've still got to really figure out what color I'm going to make the trim, so that's what I'm doing right now. All right, got that all removed. So with the trim in this room specifically, I can definitely tell that this closet was an add-on. So on this side over here, they ended up using trim that did not actually match the rest of it. You can just tell that it's wood, just like I think this is about 6 inches, so like a 6x1 or something like that, that they used to replace the older trim. Now there's a place in our area that's actually closing pretty soon, but I want to head over there and see if I can find any of the trim pieces that might match the original existing trim. So I'm gonna measure a little bit here, measure in the hallway where I also need some other trim that was missing, and then we'll take a trip over to A&R Salvage. All right, we're here. It is raining, as you can see, so hopefully you're gonna stay dry, but luckily all of the trim is inside. So here is a majority of their trim, baseboards. There's more on the other side. I've been eyeing some See, like this is good, but it's got that little lip and ours doesn't have that lip. So I've got to keep searching for the right size with no lip. You guys, I found the piece that I need for the missing trim, the baseboard portion. So there it is. So now that I've got the bedroom all done, I've got the trim taken all down, I am going to move on to the bathroom. And I wasn't originally planning on removing the bathroom trim, but the reason that I am is because there's about an inch between the bottom of the top of the current subfloor and the baseboards. And I just don't think that we're gonna be adding that much to the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. We're gonna keep it, and then I'll replace it and make sure that it's butting up right up against the tile floor that we put in later on. Oops. I did not mean to break that. Well, I definitely didn't mean to break that trim piece here in the bathroom. I was planning on reusing it, but now maybe we've got some other options. I would like to keep this trim in here. It's really just a 5-inch, I believe 5-inch piece of wood here, but it's pretty solid, but I just went ahead and broke right through that. So we're definitely gonna have to figure out something else that's gonna go here. I haven't quite solidified the plans for the entire bathroom yet. I know that we're gonna be taking this bathtub out. We're gonna be tiling the floors, potentially tiling back behind where the bathtub is gonna go. You guys, we're making moves right now. We're excited. We've gotten some quotes back from contractors, and they should be able to start working here either at the end of this week or next week. So that's super exciting news for us. We've been waiting and waiting. We've had about at least 4 or 5 different contractors come out, and look, we've gotten only a few quotes back. It's just I guess the day and age that we're living in. The materials are very expensive. The contractors are very busy, but it's kind of frustrating when they make the time to come out here and then they don't end up giving you a quote. We actually had 2 people come out, tell us all this stuff, and then they just ghosted us. We've reached out to them like, hey, what's up? You know, we'd love a quote, but nothing. So just comes with the territory, I guess, but we think that we've got our contractors solidified. We've just got to make plans for them to come, and of course we'll be taking you guys along for all of that. I am going to end this vlog here. If you guys like this type of video where it's just sort of me taking you along with what I'm going to do for the day, vlog style, maybe even a couple of days in one video, be sure to let me know down in the comments below, because I love taking you guys along with me and what I am doing every single day, and I love to share it with you guys here on FFT. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like down there, and then of course get subscribed down below. We will be doing our renovation videos every Thursday, and then sometimes a surprise one on the weekend. So we thank you guys all so much for your support, and I'll see you on the flip side.